If you want the largest YouTube creators to see your content, officially mention them, and that could result in millions of views for your videos. Let's do this.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
As always, we will start on the YouTube homepage. Click on your profile logo in the top right hand corner and go to the YouTube studio. From the dashboard, click on the videos tab to the left and then click the edit icon for a video you have uploaded to your channel. In this example, we have interviewed a video creator, so instead of just mentioning the creator by name, we can mention her by YouTube channel. Start with the @ character, and once you start to type out a name, YouTube will attempt to autocomplete. You can include spaces too if the channel has them, and eventually you should find the creator you are looking for. When you click the channel, that will convert the text into an official channel mention, and you can do this both in your video title, video description, and community posts as well. This is how that mention will look on a desktop screen. The creator's name is highlighted in blue, and when you click on the mention, it jumps you straight to their channel, whether it's in the title or the description. And it's a similar setup through the YouTube app, a blue clickable link that takes you directly to the creator's channel. However, it must be noted that the Creator Studio app is not set up to insert mentions just yet, as it advises you to type them out on a computer. Hello folks, I'm Rob and welcome to vidIQ, the YouTube tool and channel that aims to educate you on your YouTube journey. For all of the latest YouTube tips, tricks and advice, make sure to subscribe to the channel and do this so that you're the first to be notified when we release a brand new content. As always, school is already in session. So YouTube mentions are very easy to implement into your videos, and as you can see on one of our videos, we've had monumental success. But there are a lot of things just under the surface that you need to consider. First of all, and this is guaranteed to annoy at least half of our audience, you can only give or receive a YouTube mention if you have over 1,000 subscribers. Second of all, you have to consider that nobody is actually searching for a channel's name in this way, even if it is @MrBeast. Having said that, YouTube mentions can be a fantastic way of capturing a creator's attention because they receive a notification whenever they get a mention through a video title, description or community post. Now, as far as I can tell, you only see these notifications if you go to the YouTube Studio app and tap on the mentions filter. I don't think these appear in the desktop notifications. If anyone can correct me on that, please do, but when I searched, I just got notifications on comments. And that's the nuts and bolts of how to use YouTube mentions. How might you use them inventively in your content? Let us know in the comments below. I will say this, if you do want to capture the creator's attention for the right way, provide value in your video or your content. Don't do it as a way to try and get a shout out from the creator, because that's very unlikely to happen. And we will be looking for the mentions that you give us, because I'm sure you're going to be practicing with us after watching this video. For YouTube beginners guides just like this, check out the playlist over here. And if you want to learn more about vidIQ, which can help you research YouTube, analyze any video on a platform, audit your own channel, and take actionable steps that will grow your channel, we've got a beginner's guide down there. Enjoy the rest of your video making day.